So I'm in my shop and I'm getting ready to reopen, and I've noticed that quite a lot of the jewellery needs a bit of love and attention. As you know, silver tarnishes very easily, and cleaning it you tend to end up using sort of stinky chemical dips and things like that, but this is the technique that I use. I did learn it from YouTube, but there's no reason I can't pass it on to other people. So yes, this is a really great way to clean silver in a really environmentally friendly way. You're literally using bicarbonate of soda. I'm using Marks and Spencer's, but other bicarbs are available. Tin foil and a bowl. That's all you need to start with. Obviously you can clean more than one thing, but I'm just going to show you for the sake of this video. So I've got this necklace. Now, things like necklaces in particular, they do get very grubby, and it's really hard to clean in between the links. So if you used a silver cloth or something, you wouldn't get in between those links. Sorry, I'm having trouble focusing. So this is the most efficient, most environmentally friendly way to do it. So here are some crinkly sound effects for you to enjoy. Take a little bit of aluminium foil. Is it still aluminium? I'm not sure. But tin foil, normal baking foil that you use around the home. And line your bowl. It doesn't have to be remotely perfect. Pop a little bit of bicarbonate of soda. Again, normally I would be cleaning more than just one item. Now they do recommend that if you've got things like stone set jewellery, to not do this, because some stones and pearls and things wouldn't like the chemical reaction that it creates. So you literally just put the item in the bowl with the bicarbonate of soda. You take a bit of boiling water. I'm just reboiling my kettle. Make yourself a cup of tea while you're at it. Yes, so just getting a little bit of boiling water. And then very carefully pour a little bit of boiling water onto the bicarbonate of soda until it does this fizzy bubbly thing. It creates a chemical reaction, and it is slightly sulphurous in fragrance, which is exactly the olfactory delight that you would imagine it would be. Yes, so you just leave that bubbling away for probably only about 5 minutes. You can leave it longer for particularly stubborn tarnish, but yes, I'll show you the results in just a second. So I've only left this maybe about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. I can still see some bubbling is going on, so I'm going to leave it for a few more seconds. Basically, when all this is done, you can wash the foil and then pop that in the recycling. So it's all about as environmentally friendly as you can get, which is really nice. Right, so I'm just going to add a little bit of cold water, just in case that water's still quite hot. I don't want to burn my fingers. And now I can take out the necklace, and you can see that it is a proper silvery colour and not a weird brown colour as it was before. So I'm just going to pop it in some clean water, kind of swirl it around a bit like that, swishy, to make sure that all the bicarbonate of soda is gone. And then I'm going to simply dry that on a paper towel, and it's ready to wear, which will be very exciting. Yes, again, normally I would be doing this with a lot more jewellery, but I thought it would be easier and less tangly to show you just one. So there it is, all shiny and ready to wear.